So, hey guys, I have been thinking about doing YouTube for a lot of years, so I have finally decided to try it out. I got a decent microphone back in the summer, and I guess I'm gonna start with this. Even though I usually don't stick to anything, so I'm not really sure if I'm gonna stick to it this time. I thought that for this video we could talk about how to make nice stickers that would look good, and well, stickers, maybe keychains, whatever you like. So you're just watching me sketch in paint tool Sai, whatever, and I usually sketch in Photoshop, but this time I just opened Sai, and I quite like it because sometimes in Photoshop, there's too much stuff you can do, and Sai just seems simpler. So maybe for this simple picture is a good thing. Now I'm starting with line art, and that's what I actually want to talk about. It's really good to have a clean line art for your stickers, so it looks neat, and I really love Sai for line art because it's super clean and it just feels a bit more natural than in Photoshop, at least for me. I get my lines to be a lot smoother, crispier, I think, at least I feel like that, and just the process of it is a lot better. And I haven't actually found a brush that would be, that would feel the same that I could use in Photoshop. So when I want these extra crisp lines, I usually do them inside, and I always start with a sketch because it's when you want something to be really clean and it to be flowy, at least a little bit, to have the motion. You can't just start with sketching and try to make it clean. No, just do a sketch, then add a second layer, and on that layer do the crisp line art, because you would spend a lot of time on it, cleaning it up. That's what I did back then, and that's not a good idea. Well, and now you can see that I'm adding more to it, trying to do the hair, the eyes. I always spend so much time on the eyes because I feel that it's really important to get them right, because my first few tries, the the characters are looking like a bit dumb, or one eye is going there, the other to the other side, but that's not really nice. So it's really important to do what you want, take your time, whatever. And yeah, don't spend too much time on it though, because if you want this to be a sticker or you want it to be a keychain, it doesn't have to be extra smooth. If you don't want it to be on a big, if you don't want them to be a big print or whatever, it's gonna disappear. It's not gonna be as visible, so the lines will look pretty clear, even if you just get them a bit shaggy. So if you don't have Sai, you can definitely use whatever program you like. I mean, Krita is pretty nice too, and that's free. And if you have Photoshop, definitely you can use Photoshop, of course. For this picture, I wanted to draw something nice and simple, and I just love drawing girls, so that's why I am drawing one. And I just like mermaids. Who doesn't like mermaids? So just keep on with this. And like I said before, you don't really need too many details in this because it's not gonna be visible. So don't overdo it. It's better if it's a bit more simple, and cleaner, of course. Well, if you're doing this for the first time, maybe choose something that you're familiar drawing with, so that you don't have to, too much stress about it. Make it something that you actually are known for. Do it in your style that's typical for your art, and it's gonna be good. People are gonna like it. So your friends are gonna want those stickers. So I think it's really important to keep the drawing nice, in the sense that it's flowing, it's not too shaggy. The rhythm in there's like some rhythm in it, like in her hair, makes it a bit in motion, a bit flowing, even though she's just standing or flowing in the water, whatever. And another important thing is, I think that if you want something to be a sticker or a keychain, it doesn't really have to be like, it doesn't have to be a whole scene. It's perfect if it's just your character or some items, whatever. Some people do those little alchemist gloss thingies with potions. Some people do flowers or animals little, or whatever, whatever you are good at, whatever you like to do. Just make it simple, something small. So if you like characters, you can do a character, and you don't really have to be, it doesn't have to be a full body. It can be just a headshot, or bust, or just like a girl with a hand. But I really think that putting hands in your drawings is always gonna make the character pop out, pop out more, because hands are really expressive. So drawing hands in your stickers, or I guess in all of your art, is really good. So if you're a beginner and you struggle with hands, you really should practice them, because they are gonna get you to the next level. So like I said, hands are really important. Anyways, I know I'm whispering all of a sudden, but that's just because I had to re-record this last few minutes of my video, because my kid started watching Baby Boss, the animated movie, and also she started crashing around with her toys, so it was all very hearable in the recording. So yeah, and I have to whisper right now because I live in a wooden house, and she's asleep upstairs, and if I speak too loud, she's gonna hear it and she's gonna wake up, because in this wooden house you can hear every fart. Seriously. And yeah, I'm finishing the lines as I speak right now, and yeah, now we are doing the colors, and just like the whole picture, your colors should be quite simple. Whatever color range you like to use, you can just use that. It should be your art, don't try to use different colors than you would use in your normal art. That's not supposed to be a sticker, because it's supposed to be yours and people should recognize it. That's why they're gonna buy your stickers, because they love your art. So the colors should be yours, definitely. Whatever, if you like vibrant colors, if you like them to be opaque, it's up to you. But I think you should keep it simple, especially if you are drawing a picture of a character, of an animal. You should really keep it simple. If you're doing some ornaments or other more complicated stuff, you can use more colors, but I think keeping it clear and simple and in one kind of, and just a few shades is a good thing. It's gonna be easy on eyes, especially when stickers are small, so it should go well together, the colors. I really like pink hair, so she's gonna rock her pinky straightish hair, and I'm also gonna add shades to it, but just the basics, one shade, one like the normal color, and some highlights, but nothing too severe. You can add little pop, colors if you do that in your art, and it's gonna look pretty on the final sticker. And that's about it. I think you should keep the background simple. I am doing some leaves behind her, sea grass, whatever that is called, and I think that's just it. That's simple. She seems like she's underwater thanks to it, but you don't really want a sticker to have a full background. I don't think that's necessary. Maybe in some cases, but if you just want to focus on a character, it should be just focused on the character. And you can make the background transparent, you can save it as a PNG, and that's it, I guess. So I hope you guys like this. I know this is something for beginners, definitely, but I feel like a beginner in so many things, especially YouTube, so you have no idea how long I've been cutting this and working on this one damn video. So hopefully at least one person is going to watch this and be like, yeah, let's give this girl a thumbs up. So please guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, maybe consider subscribing to my channel. I am going to make more videos, hopefully. I would like to make one video a week, but who knows. And I'm probably going to talk about my life as an artist. I'm also a parent, so I'm gonna mention what it's like for artists who have kids, and I'm gonna make some tutorials and step-by-steps, also just processes of my works. Hopefully you'll find that entertaining, at least. So I guess see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.